Hey there, I wanted to show you today how I'm going to make a table of contents here for an existing um, blog poster page. This is actually, technically it's a WordPress page, but it's kind of acting as a post. So we have the body section here, and we have all these H2 titles, and this is using the page builder Elementor, if you're familiar with that, but we can see here on the left we can see that it's an H2. So actually the way I'm going to do this is this box on the right side here is going to be our table of contents, and I'm going to do it with just I'm using the text editor module, and I'm going to paste in that on the text tab here some plain HTML that I'm going to construct here separately in the code reader. So I have one here that is already that has already been done. Let me actually switch over there, and this must have been from last time. Let me just comment that. So this is an example of another one I did. I copied over the whole body as a reference, and because I'm going to add a couple things there, and then also at the end, this is what the table of contents HTML looks like. So I have the folder posts, and then the name of the post there to make this kind of easier today. So let me go ahead and make a new folder for this new post that we're going to do. What was it called now? Addiction trends in the United States today. This is for a recovery website, so addiction trends. Let's just call it that. And actually this folder is supposed to be in posts. Cool, so we have this now. Let me make a post content. And I'll start there, and I'm just going to go and copy. So I'm going to go and copy over the whole body here, and if I just select, let's see, oh, this is already an Elementor, a bunch of separate ones. Okay, actually maybe we won't be needing to copy over the body then, or it's not going to make sense if all these are separate. I think the last one I did, it was all in one module. These are all, obviously, these are separate title and text modules. So let's go ahead and let me take this. Gonna do. Just gonna pull my old reference here, since this is the format we're gonna use. I'll copy it over and I'll explain what's going on here. Let's do table of contents. I'm adding in this HTML style this way. I don't know if that's the best way, but I'm doing it that way. So what we're going to do is go, and for each H2 we're going to give it an ID, and we're going to put that H2 in here in the HTML and give it the title name and everything. So I'm gonna go back here and go to advanced CSS ID, and I'll do introduction. Maybe I'll call that title introduction, just to, in case that ID is being used somewhere else, since it's kind of a I'll do aim title introduction. So I'll take that, copy it over, and I'm just gonna start. I'll delete everything except for one. And this is an ordered list. You can see I'm just going to go and paste in aim title introduction like that, and then in here where the text is going to show. I'll type in introduction. So let's go ahead and just copy this over so you can see what it's going to look like. Putting it in the text module here, pasting in that plain HTML, and then you can see how we get this this format here. And let me update it, and we can go take a look at that post. So let's see here. We'll go to view page in a new tab. And what we're going to see here is we got that table of contents. This is not going to really navigate as much because we're already there. It's not perfect because the header is kind of blocking since it's fixed, it's blocking the actual title that we're navigating to. So let me add a couple more and we can see how this is going. But you can see that we have the table of contents. When we click this, it's going to take us down to the one that we're going to. So let's go and add a couple. Let's go add 2 more. Drug use rates by age. So I'm just going to go and duplicate this, change the title. And add that there. Let me do one more so we can get a good idea of how this is going to be scrolling. Look for the next H2 here. Drug use rates by substance. Oh, and I forgot to add the IDs also. Add those into each one. Oh, that was age. So click the substance one, make sure it's substance over here. Go to advanced and add that ID there. And go up and do the same for age. Make sure we're in the right one. I'll grab the ID back from here. I like to copy paste those IDs instead of retyping them out to avoid typos. So let me update. And actually we want to go and paste the new table of contents in here. We don't really have to do this until the very end, paste the whole thing in, but if we want to test it along the way, or for me to show you right now, I keep I'm pasting it in more than once. So I'll update that, and I'll go to the page and refresh. And now we got this 3 sections here. Click on age, it should take us down. Same, it's so close here, it's not going to really show us much. But this one, by substance, we'll click it, and it's lagging a little bit, I think. But yeah, click it and it'll scroll us down to the rates by substance. So that's how we can do this using Elementor headings and just regular HTML ID tags to add a table of contents to an Elementor post or page. And thanks for watching.